Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to save contact number on oppo mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number on your oppo phone, so how to save contact number in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, how to save contact number on oppo phone device. So friends, click on your phone setting guys, your phone call setting guys, click on phone call setting, and guys enter number which number you want to save. So friends, you can see I will save guys this number, example guys this is number, and friends will click on new contact, and guys enter name. So guys I will enter guys my contact number, and guys I will save this number. Friends, you can see this number will save on my phone, and friends I can call from here. Messages friends, you want to send guys message, text messages friends you want to send on this number, so you can send from here. Friends, you can see video call is not available now, and friends you want to save your this number on your favorite, so you can save from here. And friends, if you click two dots, friends click on edit. Friends, you want to edit this contact number, so you can edit this contact number. So friends, you can change name. So guys I will change into number only, number mine, example guys I will change into number mine, and this right click friends you can see contact number will added. And friends, you want to save photo on this number, so guys you can select photo, and you want to save any photo, so you can save photo from here guys. So like that friends, you can save contact number and you can add. And friends, you want to edit number guys, you want by mistake friends you have saved wrong number. Friends, now you can enter right number and you can save it. So like that friends, we can save contact number, and guys we can edit contact number on oppo phone device. So bye guys.